What's up guys, Pablo the Plug here. Today we got a special video. We're going to be going day in the life of a reseller. As you can see, we got some packs in today, so let's get into it and unbox them. Let's go. Alright, let's unbox these things. We just got them in today. We got about 20 of them, and if you guys want to know where to get these products, the vendor is in my bio, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead. It's where I get my products from. Best quality, can sell on eBay, Marketplace, Depop, OfferUp, Mercari, whatever. But here are the AirPods themselves. Now, I'm not going to open them because I've actually got a few eBay orders that I need to fulfill, and when you open them, you are decreasing the value. So I'm not going to open them, but here are the AirPods. As you can see, got that pull tab, got everything, even the front, like 3D, you got all that stuff. These are extremely good quality. Like I said, if you guys want to know where to get these, the link will be in the description. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the rest of these, so I'll take you guys with me and let's go. Guys, please pray for me. That was only one box. God damn. Let's show you unboxing the next box. Let's go. Alright guys, we just finished unboxing all the AirPod Maxes. Please like and subscribe. That was hard work. Unboxed about almost 50 kilos worth of AirPod Maxes. Now if you guys want to get some of your own, you guys know where to get them. The link will be in the description. Now yeah, let's pack up some orders. Alright, what the fuck, this is just ridiculous. Too many AirPod Maxes. So guys, if you want some of these for yourself, just tap in an order, message me on Instagram, join the free Discord in the description. Now we've got a few orders on eBay, so let's pack them up. Alright, this one was from yesterday. I need to send it out, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna send out this one that we sold today. So let's do that. Let's get the postage label and we'll get it packed up. Alright, we got another express post order. I set it to express post because it just looks way better on eBay, more appealing to the customer. So yeah, we went with express post. Guys, if you were wondering, these are the AirPods themselves. Now, as you can see, they got the 3D touch. Not a lot of vendors are gonna have that. You know, you got one-to-one packaging, all there, looking good, perfect image, side, bit of reflection there, which is on the originals. Valid serial number, made in Vietnam, not China. That's a big one. And yeah, if you guys want to cop these, they will be on the website in my description. So yeah, if you guys want to get yourself some AirPods and sell them on eBay like I do, make some money, then you guys know where to get them. Alright, we got our orders packed up. I'm not going to show their customer's address for security reasons, but let's go to the post box and let's post these out. Also, just so you guys are aware, I've got a cheeky Facebook Marketplace post, so I'm going to post that out to the buyer. So change of plans, we're going to be heading to the post office because this one is not paid for yet, so I'm going to ship that out to the buyer. That was all organized over Facebook. Had the listing up for the Prada glasses. I'll show you the Prada glasses in a second. But yeah, so if you guys want to maximize your reach and your profits, you want to be having your items up on as many marketplaces as possible. This will expand your profit margins like crazy. Now, as promised, let's show you those Prada glasses. So here's the glasses themselves. As you can see, you got that one-to-one logo with the little thing on the R. Not many of your guys' vendors are going to be having that. So yeah, that's a real big selling point. You got the serial number on the inside. Here we have Prada, made in Italy, all that good stuff, all the stuff that's going to be on the genuine ones. And yeah, all the accessories, you got the wipes, you got the authenticity card and the little booklet. So yeah, like I said before, you guys know the drill. You know where to get these. They will be on the website. These are actually some of my best selling products, man. These go on for days. I just got boxes on boxes of these, and the reason for that is they sell out like crazy. So yeah, just a little quick disclaimer: if you guys are interested in reselling or you are serious about reselling, be sure to join my Discord. It is completely free. We have free money guides where you can get up to $182.50, which is terrific, for free. You don't have to do anything. You just do all these referrals. It explains it a bit more in the Discord, but we got free chat, post your success. We do giveaways, product displays where you can see each individual product's quality. eBay method, like I have mentioned previously on this channel. We got guides, we got receipt generators, we got bots. Look guys, we've got it all. So just do yourself a favor and join the Discord. You're not gonna regret it. Guys, I don't know what this goofy new update is on eBay, but it doesn't show the last 90 days sales anymore. But this is the last 31 days. I've done almost $4,000, but I did a lot more before that. But yeah, some goofy eBay update. But yeah, let's go post out these orders. Alright guys, we just got back from the post office. I think we're gonna wrap it up there. If you guys want to get on this eBay method, one of my clients, he's done that in a week, almost $2,000 Australian dollars, and he's only been, look, all made this week. This is just crazy. So that is for Australian customers only, but it is a great opportunity. So if you guys want to get in on that, join the Discord in my bio, read the eBay method, and yeah, you'll be good to go. So basically how it works is you list the products. Once you get an order, I will personally ship it out for you. This is an AirPod Max that I'm shipping out for one of my clients in the Discord server. So I'm going to ship that out possibly tomorrow. And yeah, it's a great opportunity, guys. Don't miss it. But we're gonna wrap it up there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Maybe some Facebook Marketplace content. Just let me know in the comments down below. So like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.